What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to link or unlink your EA account with the Steam client. To start, open up your browser and head to ea.com. Once on the EA website, go to the top right corner and click on the profile icon. If you are already signed in, you will need to sign in first by clicking on Sign Out, wait for the page to reload, and now go back to the top right, click on the profile icon again and select Sign In. On the Sign In page, you will see different login options. Click on a Steam button. Even if you already have an EA account, this step is still necessary. A new pop-up window will appear, asking you to sign into your Steam account. If your Steam credentials are already detected, simply click on Sign In. Otherwise, enter your Steam username and password to log in. After signing in, you will see a message saying that Electronic Arts is requesting permission to access your Steam account. Click Allow to proceed. Now, even though the next screen says Create your EA account, don't worry, you can still link an existing one. If you already have an EA account, enter your date of birth and click Next. Then, enter the email address associated with your EA account. If an account is found with that email, you'll be asked to verify it with a code sent to your email. Enter the code, and you will see a confirmation message about linking the accounts. Click Link Accounts, and your EA and Steam accounts will be successfully linked. Now, if you ever need to unlink your Steam account from EA, there are a few things to consider. Once you unlink a Steam account from your EA account and link it to another EA account, you won't be able to unlink it again for 6 months. So make sure this is the best choice for you before proceeding. To unlink your Steam account, open up your browser and head to ea.com/EA-app. If you are not already logged in, sign into your EA account. Once logged in, select your profile picture at the top right and then go to your account settings. On this page, head to the Connections tab, where you will see a list of linked accounts, including Steam. Click on Unlink, confirm your decision, and your Steam account will be disconnected from EA. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.